And then you come to think about, why aren't enterprise software can be like, Facebook or can be like Amazon.com. And this is actually how our founder, Mark Benioff, shaped the idea of the company about 11, 12 years ago. That's his vision. I mean, at that time, he's really beyond his time, is that, he wants enterprise software to be like Facebook. So Mark Benioff used to work for Larry Ellison. In fact, he's the youngest VP in Oracle. He's a VP there when he's only 25 years old. And he decided that I want to create enterprise software that's as easy to use as Facebook. So he started the company called Salesforce.com. And so for the past 11 years that Salesforce.com has established, we are really the evangelists and catalysts in driving cloud computing. So for some of us who will remember the days of mainframe, and then there's a move to open system. That is where the traditional vendor, I think just now we talked about that they have the very traditional way of installing software is that you take a stack of servers, you install it in your data center, and then you install a client on your computer. So that used to be the way of doing computing. And today we are shifting to cloud computing, where just like Facebook, you don't have to install anything. You don't have to worry about any upgrades. You trust that a provider, whatever information you put in is kept safe and secure, and this is how it is today. So as a company, we have been doing extremely well. In fact, tonight, Eastern Time, 5 p.m., we'll announce our full year results, so we are all very excited. And this is actually tremendous growth, and in fact we are the 4th fastest growing company in the world. So this chart is not really about how well we are doing and we are so proud of ourselves. This is actually a testimony of how customers like yourself can drive value from our platform. So if you are in an industry like us that's very competitive, which I think many of you are. I see people from the bank and from the healthcare, real estate, manufacturing, different services industry, is that consumers have a lot of choice. And especially for our company, because we are on a subscription basis, so it's just like electricity. If you are not happy with us, what would you do? You will turn off the subscription next year. So the reason why we can do so well is also it creates an environment for us to continuously innovate. The day we stop innovating, the customer will leave us, and it's very easy for customer to leave us. So this is, I just want to leave you with this chart is that we are about customer success. And today we have 87,000 paying customers. So maybe you'll be wondering, is there non-paying customer? So there are non-paying customers, they are charity. So our company actually very believe in giving back to the society. So for charitable organization, we do give back. And just like the previous graph, this has been the amount of growth we have. So we acquire about 4,000 to 5,000 in average customers every quarter globally. So I think this morning you look at the video that talk about how Cloud 2 is changing the way people work. Now we move to more enterprise because all of us comes from enterprise account, so it's about consumer, it's not about consumer anymore. How about data security? Because we are in the enterprise business, customer data is very precious to us. How do we make sure that it is ready for enterprise customers?